Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG2450. I want to show you how to scan documents with this printer to computer. First of all, you need to connect the printer and laptop together using a USB cable. So take this part of the USB cable, connect it to this port, then take the other end of the cable, connect it to computer. The next thing to do is you need to go to laptop settings, select laptop start, then go to the settings, go to printers and scanners, then add a device. After you add a device, then you need to look for Canon MG2450 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. So I'm going to show you ways to scan documents. Windows, scanner, select scanner settings, open scanner. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see arrow on the left side of the printer. Close the cover. Then select file type. Scroll down to select PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution 300 dpi. We want to save the file in document folder, or you can select document, save the document where you want to save it. Document is selected. Then select scan. This document is scanning. To view this document, then select view. This is the document we scanned. If you want to print it out, you select Ctrl P. Then printer is selected. Then you select number of copies. It's one page document. You want to print it in color. Then you select more setting, the size as A4, fit of printable area. Then you select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another way to scan document I want to show you. We're going to close this. So go to the settings, then select more devices and printer settings. Select on it. It will show you printer image. Then look from the list. Canon MG2400 series. Select on the printer, then right click. Then scroll down and select start scan. Then you select OK. It will bring out a scanner dialog. So we want to scan the same document. Then select profile as documents. Source flatbed. Color, we want to scan it in color. File type, scroll down to select PNG. Resolution 300 dpi. Brightness and contrast both are on default settings. Then select scan. This document is scanning. Select more options. Then browse where you want to save the document. We want to save it in document folder and folder name, date imported. Then you select OK. Then select next. Then select import. The document is imported to the PC. If you want to see this document, then you need to go to File Explorer, then go to Documents, Then type the date the document was scanned. Select enter. This is the document. Double click to open. This is the document we scanned and save it and imported it to the PC. Now another method to scan document I want to show you, we're going to use Canon Quick Menu. To get this Canon Quick Menu, you need to go to Canon IJ Setup, then install the full software and driver for this printer. Follow the instruction and it will tell you setup complete. And you can print out a test page. After you've done that, then look on your laptop desktop. To scan document, we still want to scan the same document, then go to My Image Garden. So you will see the first image, second and third. So select Start My Image Garden. So this quick menu will open My Image Garden. Then select Scan from the list. Then select PDF. So I'm going to delete these documents we have here. So delete, delete, delete. To scan document, select PDF. And it will show you preparing to scan. So the document is scanning. If you want to scan another page, then open the scanner and put the second document you want to scan. For example, face down, then select Scan to scan the next page. So you can do this as many as you like. So this is Canon My Image Garden. And once you're done, select Exit. This is the document. Double click it to open the file. This first and second 2-page document. This is the document. To save this document, select on the document, then select File. Select File, then select Save. Then browse where you want to save the file. Select Browse. We want to save it in the document. Select OK. And also you can give the document name if you like. Then select Save. The document is saved to the PC. If you want to print it out, select on the file, select File, then select Print. It will show you this print dialog. The printer is selected. Then you select the size of the paper as A4, media type, plain paper, paper source, real paper tray. Print range settings, select on it. We want to print all. Advanced settings, you select print quality, standard or high or draft. Then select print. So the document is printing. First page printed out. It's printing the second page. So these are documents we scanned and printed out in color, single page. If you want to print it double-sided, then you need to go to File Explorer, then select the document and print it out two-sided. With this printer, you can print document two-sided. I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to close my image garden. To print the document two-sided from this printer, we're going to do it manually. So go to my files, then select documents, then type the document name you want to print out. Double click the document to open. This is the document I want us to print out. To print it out, select Ctrl P or print icon on top, Ctrl P. The printer is selected, then scroll down to select print on both sides. Select more option, the paper, A4, actual size 100%, one page per sheet, then select print. We're going to print this document two-sided manually. Then take the document. You load the document on the rear tray with the printed area already faced at the back. Then the next thing to do, you need to select Start Printing to print the second page. This is the document we printed out. This is how to scan documents with this printer 3 ways, and also print documents double-sided manually with a USB cable connection. Thank you very much indeed. This is Canon Pixma MG2450 2400 series.